Hey guys and gals, hey guys and gals, welcome, welcome, welcome. How you doing? How are you doing today? Let's go! Turning you guys and gals up. Much love for being here. Just adjusting the mic there. Hopefully we're good. Let me just quickly check the stream. Make sure we're good. Gotta make sure. Just adjusting them. Sounds like it. Good. Awesome sauceum. Turn that up. Turn it up. All right. We're going to get into it today, guys and gals. I need to kind of get the cobwebs out of my head. I don't know, feeling a little tired today, but we're still going to push through, work hard, and get some stuff done. Let's go. All right. I want to thank quickly. I do have to finish with socials and shouty outies. I'm gonna try to do that quickly. I just want to, I must show the love, I guess, for those that recently subscribed to the channel. You're awesome, awesome. Let's go. Yes. Man. Oh, whew. I love it. You have no idea. I love it. Thank you for the support. That means a lot. It really does. No matter how tired I feel and stuff, I kind of feel tired today, guys, but whatever. That's okay. Shake it off. Shake it off. Wake up. More coffee. More coffee, nurse. More coffee. Nurse. Whew, wowzer dowsers. What is up today? Anyways, guys, gals, thank you for the support. Whoever you are, wherever you are, recent subscriber, let's go. Let's go. That's so awesome. Now, I don't know exactly who you are, but because otherwise I would shout you out. But let's shout out the ones that I do know. We're going to finish here with just dropping stuff into chat, socials and such. Feel free, guys, to hit them up if you like. I need to really check them out, see if you guys are actually. But regardless, I do need to pay attention to that stuff more. I do, and be more involved. Yes, I do. I do. So yeah, I'm gonna make sure I check it out, guys. Okay. So yeah, socials, they're there. Again, they're in chat. I just dropped them in. If you'd like. Same thing with the description of every video. The information's there for socials, so feel free to support the channel, help it grow. You guys are awesome. And let's continue, and we're gonna get some work done. I promise. I hope so. I promise. I promise to hope so. Okay, let's see. Turning it up. Let's go. Do that. I'm gonna. I'm glad my chatbot. I call it chatbot, but Stream Elements. Same thing. It's working. Here. We're almost done, guys. I must. Okay. Now, I haven't seen my friend Master Reese in a minute. Hopefully, he's doing well. Let's see. Thank you guys also for any comments that you put in. You're awesome for that. And what else? Yeah, let's shout out. Not that. Let's see. Everything I own is 10 miles long. I swear to God. Okay, here we go. Yes, recent follow, subscriber, supporter, awesome. And then I'll just kind of spam out some other ones that I do know of that have been, followers of the channel. Hopefully you still are. And there we go. Boom. Yes, there we go. Shouting you guys out. Okay, and same thing with this. Because I don't, I do get, I always obviously see the numbers, the subscriber amount, but not all the time does YouTube share the name of whoever is subscribed. I don't know what reason or why that is. I just don't know. It's not shared with me, so I do apologize if I didn't shout you out. It's not really, it's kind of out of my control. So there you go. Okay, yeah. Let's go vibes. Thank you guys. So I'm going to do this because, yeah, this I always enjoy doing for you guys. Every beginning of the stream, I like to make sure you guys are recognized and appreciated. Same thing with viewers as well. Now, I don't know if you're supporting the channel or not. That's okay, but I do appreciate the views. Let's go. This is for you guys. Yes, yes, yes. Let's go. That's for you guys and gals, brothers, sisters, here on the channel, supporting, showing the love, appreciating the content. You guys are all awesome, awesome. Let's go! I love doing that. That kind of turns things up a little bit. All right. It's time to make some magic happen. Some magic happen. All right, here we go. We're going to continue. So I was kind of thinking today, right? I know yesterday was a little bit chatty. We didn't really get much done. We got something done, but we probably learned a little bit along the way. So that's good. That's good. I'm not sure. I was thinking about this boulder. Do I rotate it? What do I do? I don't know. I was kind of waiting for you guys to let me know what I should do with it. So I'm going to leave it for now. We're going to do kind of a fly around here. Still lots to do there. We're going to leave it barren for now. Hoping to find some cacti and tumbleweeds to throw in there. I got to go here. And I'm doing a flyover, kind of let you guys, kind of see what's up, what we got so far. Some of you, man, I really got to get the cobwebs out of my head today, guys, but that's okay. We're pushing through. Let's push through. So if some of you maybe are interested in kind of creating and doing your own landscaping world, feel free to kind of start with the beginning of the series. You can kind of copy what I'm doing. That's fine. It's recommended for basically, geez, I wish I had that in front of me. I will for next stream, but it's smart to do what we call, let's see, nope, not that. Right here, right? We're doing little sections, right? These are all sections, and culling and such. Like, right, the camera only needs to cull, render, I guess, certain sections. So it's way better on performance. That's kind of what I was trying to get at, guys. Wish I had a better definition in front of me, but essentially that's the reason you want to do that. Okay, especially when you're creating open world larger projects. All right, guys. So do that. Do that. Yeah. Let's keep going. So recommend that 100%. And so we still have a little bit to do here. I was gonna try to avoid doing some painting. We're gonna do some rocks and such today, and maybe add some grass and shrubs and bushes and such. We're gonna change it up, trying to do a little bit different things. We're gonna do touch-ups here and there, guys. For the most part, like, what I've been doing actually is turning out pretty good. You can kind of see the detail. It's kind of creating more depth, right? What I've been doing, which is awesome. It's great. Now, I think the smartest part for me to do is maybe avoid putting grass in those areas where I put depth. I don't know. Or maybe just put the grass in the areas where it's barren, right? I kind of been just humming and hawing, thinking, well, how should I really do this? Do I cover it all up with, you'll see once we start putting in grass and stuff, guys, what I'm talking about. You can actually add what looks like real grass, right? We're just doing painting with textures and such over our layers, really. Essentially, that's what we've been doing. Okay, follow the series if you're interested, guys. Again, you can take what I've been doing and use it, or take what I've been doing and make it better with your own thoughts and ideas. Again, kind of just use your own mind and use your own creativity, guys, right? That's what you do. Okay? Again, don't get too frustrated with your first project if it's not looking so golden, right? Or as good as you had envisioned in your mind. That's okay. You'll get there, right? So just kind of keep at it, right? You want to make mistakes. Mistakes is going to help you grow and get better. It truly does. Okay? Sometimes you got to fall on your face to get back up, right? And when you get back up, you end up being better or becoming better. All right? So I think we should get right into this. So there we go. A little bit of a flyover. This is kind of what we're at right now. And let's go. I think I need to turn the music up a little bit in my ears. It seems a little quiet, so. Alright, where am I going to begin? Where do I want to begin? I know we're over here. We got to kind of do the tedious stuff, guys. It's just all part of the creating. You just got to love it and enjoy it, right? Where are those little rocks we've been kind of putting in? Is it over here? Yeah. We've been over here, haven't we? Yes. It's a little harder to see them because, well, we kind of made it a little bit muddy over here. Yeah, a little bit muddy. All right. Let's just do this. Okay, I think I want to avoid these little rock areas. I don't want to cover that up. So let's click this. Let's go to paint. I think it's trees. It's going to be trees, right? Okay, we have the trees. Painting trees is smart. Plants are just the same, okay? So we have a bunch already. We have, so edit trees, add tree. We need to find something else. What are we going to use? Let's have a look here. I want to, actually, before we do that, let's just go over here. Okay, I want to add this for sure. I love this one. Now, can I paint that one? That one is red bush. Let's try it. I want to see if we could do it. Just close this. Go back to painting. And let's find out. Edit trees, add tree. A little bit of a process. Red bush. Okay, I'm assuming it's going to be that one. Let's click it and add. There we go. Okay, now my brush is way too extreme here. Let's tone this down a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Nice. That's what we want. Perfect. Okay, so these are going to be kind of random here and there. Okay, so but I kind of wanted to add some here and there. And let's get an idea of what we got going on here. Let's see. Let's have a look. Now it's been a minute since I've been in here and had a look. So we have the terrain samples asset. Okay, that's where that's from. Prefabs. Okay, we got a lot here. So I want to check these all out. Bush A. Let's check it out. Okay. Bush A. I guess it's just a regular prefab. What? Why does it look the same? What's up? What? Okay. It still did it? There we go. Oh, you're not rendering? There you go. Okay, there we go. Okay, that's what I wanted to see. Just trying to get an idea which ones I'm going to use right now, guys and gals. Let's check out Bush B. You have to add it before it actually happens, so I'm just going to do it in sections. Okay, those ones, very similar. We got a little some yellow on them. Okay, that's nice. Add tree. So we've done the bush, but which one did we do there? Bush red. Hold up. Commercial. It's a coating commercial, which is fine. Okay, now I added a prefab. What? This one here, a little bit confused here. Okay, we just added this one. Okay, I gotta click something else here. No. We gotta stop painting. I don't want to paint. Stop painting. Okay, stop painting. No more painting. Right here. Okay. Just if you notice here, the prefab icon is a little bit different. Man, there's a reason for that, and I did that, and I created one, and now I can't recall why it's like that. But it's still a prefab. But there's some other step that you take that makes it into. I think it has something to do with textures, if I kind of recall. Anyways, it doesn't matter. So these are still all prefabs. It just doesn't have that kind of shadow, kind of hatching that's going on the side. Okay, this one here. Okay, you can't select that because, well, we painted it, right? So you can't select what you painted. Okay, all right. Let's just go back to painting. So red bush, okay, there we go. They look similar, right? That's why I'm kind of like, what is going on? It's okay. So that one's the red bush, right? So having a look at it, a little bit of green on it. These ones are kind of a little bit of green on it. And this, same thing. They just seem similar, but that's okay. It all looks good from an airplane either way. And I like them. I want to use them. So now let's see what this twig one is. Let's have a look. Do I have to go increase my brush size or what's up? I'm selecting it. Not seeing anything happening. I don't know what exactly it could be. Let's just go. The random too, I forgot to mention that. The random too, that's something else you want. There we go. So you got to kind of scale up your brush a little bit. Now, they just kind of vanished. Oh, right, I got to research into that. I've seen this error. Well, it's not a major error, but I've seen this one before. Has to obviously do with the shader, natural soft occlusion. Shader, otherwise billboard and lighting will not work correctly. Okay, we're gonna try that again, see what happens. So it kind of put it in there, but then it just disappeared. Okay, that's all right. We're just gonna remove that one. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go back to that. I did an undo, so that's why I had to do that again. Add tree. We'll just keep going. Bush dry A. Add. I gotta turn this back down again. Okay, there we go. Those ones work nice. Perfect. Tree. There's a bunch here, which is great. I love it. Okay, we'll just go like this. Boom. Just trying to see what the difference is, but you know, honestly, I'm sure there is some difference, but it doesn't matter. It's not that important. If you like it, just use it. What else do we have? Fern. Let's see what these look like. Yeah, those are nice. Yeah, ferns. Yeah. Definitely ferns. And it's kind of hard to see them here, guys, because of the background. Let's just... I'm going to go undo. Actually, I don't want to undo. Let's... Okay, those are undone. If you actually go... I'm just hitting Control to kind of remove them. Is that all of them? I think so. That's okay, it doesn't really matter. Just want to make sure that I have it all kind of gone. Alright, let's go. We're gonna do it over here. It's gonna be easier to see. Where do I want to work? I guess it doesn't really matter where I start now, does it? Hello. Dun, 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 dun. Oh. Okay. Well, I hope she's gonna be all right. Dun, 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 dun. 2 commercials. What's up? Okay, back to music, guys. Okay. Let's we're gonna do some random stuff here. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna drop in some randomness. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna kind of just pick and choose here. And if we need to add more here and there, we will, guys. I don't want to go too crazy with it, right? I want to kind of add them. It'll be a nice little feature. And there's going to be a lot more different ones that we're going to be adding. Okay. I'm just going to pick some random spots. Kind of close to the edge. Now they should be random. Yeah, random heights. My brush size is kind of small, so we're not gonna get like, you know, a whole bunch. Now I think we're gonna try something here. If I go like this, how many is it gonna place? Probably a whole bunch. Yeah, which is nice and random. Right? If you want a whole bunch, that's what you do. Okay, but I'm gonna go Control Z. That'd be kind of nice in, I don't know, some random area. We need to kind of do something here still. Lots to do, guys. So much to do. Okay, But it's awesome. I should have actually paid attention to what size that was, but I guess it doesn't matter. Let's just keep going. Painting. I don't know what it is I do there, but it really kind of... Okay, we're still selected. That's good. Yeah, I think it was 5, wasn't it, guys? I think so. There, kind of just random spots. We're gonna put a bunch, but we're not gonna go too crazy with it. And then I think we're gonna do the ferns. I don't want to go over my little rocky areas. Is that rock? Kind of a little bit. Just go there like that. Let's go on this side. Kind of looking for bald spots. I don't know if they're bald spots, but just kind of it might look like a bald spot. And we're gonna fill those areas up. There. Let's see, what else could we do? Got one there. One there. We're just creating, guys. Okay, how much further can we go here? Getting some work done today. That's what we're doing. I might add lots more, but for now, we're just going to kind of pick and choose our spots. It honestly doesn't matter here. How does that get deselected? I don't know. Just kind of panning and zooming around here and there. I think even the rotation too is Does it give a different rotation? I know it does that with trees. I know, like when I was placing trees, I needed to kind of mention that as well, guys. So that's the great thing about using the paint trees. I just gotta skip another commercial and music. With the trees, it does random rotation, random size. Yeah, random rotation. Yeah, that's perfect. I guess I could adjust all this as well, but whatever. It's okay. You guys could test it and try it out. There are different settings that you can kind of do, right? And just test it out. See what makes it look different compared to yeah, you get it. Yeah, just basically try different settings and just see how it looks, right? Compared to the original. That's kind of what I'm trying to get at. Wanted to add some more. You're gonna have your terrain selected when you're doing this anyways, guys. Okay, hopefully that's not too bad. What else can we do? Add tree. We have fern B. Add. I just want to see what they look like. One side I kind of want to do. Is it there? Maybe. Still have to find that kind of bush. We're gonna try. This kind of looks like a good side to do that. Right there. And then the ferns maybe we'll just put out here. They're kind of smallish. That's okay. Let's add another. Let's try the other one, fern C. I'm just curious if they're the same size. And size. How do we tree height? Let's see. That didn't seem to do anything. There we go. Now they seem kind of the same. I don't know. There we go. Haven't really played with the settings very much, guys, so we're just kind of checking it out. And again, it doesn't really matter. Nature's random. Could really turn it up. Maybe too much. I'm just kind of going between the different ones. Okay, let's see if I can find. I'm looking for a specific bush. I just want to see. It's kind of what I'm going for. What other ones do we have? We have bush A. Let's have a look. They could be the ones I'm looking for. I feel like they could be bigger. That's the thing. Tree height. No, it seems like I've increased it. Yeah, that's a bit better. And we could kind of smash a whole area. Density is actually kind of backwards. I want to my brush size, I'm gonna probably go there. Let's try that. I feel like they should be denser, yeah, even more dense. Much more dense. I want lots. And I'm using bush A, okay. Just trying to size my brush for the area that I want to work in. Commercial. Skip. I don't know why. Yesterday it seemed like I was commercial free. Today, just getting hammered with commercials. Should have kind of changed it up here with the bushes. It's not feeling it. It's going too uniform with it, right? Needs to be sporadic is what it needs to be. I guess I could keep my brush size down and just kind of hit different areas. That would make it sporadic. They seem pretty dark too. That's the only other thing. So we're just kind of, whoops. I just saved the whole, I hit Control S like a whole bunch of times. Gonna undo all that. And we're gonna see what other stuff we have here. I want a lighter color, it just seems too dark. Whoops. What else do we have? We are going to use grass. Heather A, I know this is a good one. I want to just see what they look like. Yeah, these are nice too. I love these kind. But I kind of want to be sparse with these ones. So, Control Z. And we'll add in B as well. Beautiful. Grass dry. Pine. Now what's plant ABC? Let's have a look. Were they just little ones? I can't remember. Yeah, they're just like little ones. You can kind of mix those with the grass. So that'd be good. I'll just add them all in since I'm here. CD, and then we'll just have a quick look. There it is. We've already done red bush. Okay, here is B, so you can see they're very skinny, I know. C. Honestly, who's really gonna know the difference? Okay. Whoops. And you just kind of mix everything is what you want to do. Okay. And if we go to, where is that again? Settings. I need some coffee here, guys. Gotta make some noise. We're having that same kind of thing going on here. Quick search on that. Nature soft. Researching occlusion. URP obviously. Must use nature soft occlusion shader. Okay. The tree fern must use, we're kind of in Unity discussions. Change its material to nature soft occlusion shader. That's what one guy says. It's a shader that you put on the material of the blah 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 blah. I'd have to go into shaders. Subgraph shaders, here we go. It's gonna be one of these. It could be any one of these, I don't know. Tree soft occlusion. Oh, unless it's up here where but hold up. Okay, let's look at this. Okay, these are the prefabs. Models. Blah, blah, blah. Plant. Shader graph tree grass, but it's saying tree soft occlusion, blah, blah, blah. Where would that be? I don't think he changed it here though. Oh, is that part of the? Okay, let's see. Oh, we are in the right spot, but it's just plant only. That's the thing. If you go to material, you can change the material type to the soft occlusion shader. Material type. Meaningless error. How do I do this with the paint trees tool? Eesh. These are questions people are asking in discussions. Changes materials. Yeah, we're in material. Okay. But nature, here we go. Here we go. Soft occlusion shader. What? It's not clear which one, right? One's for tree. Obviously trees have bark. I just kind of leave things alone, you know. I don't normally just start changing stuff, you know. Could be leaves, but there we go. Error 6048. Error 6048. Yeah, no. Just leaving it alone. Because they got a custom, guys, just so you know, there's a custom, like these are shader graphs, right? And they're not for everyone to create. Meaning is, what I mean is, it's one of those challenging things, okay? Look at it. Okay? Alright, this is another level of creating. They've got so many variables, and of course, these would be for the textures and such. But look at this. Okay, this all takes time for somebody to create this. Oh, and I clicked for a rock, but that gives you an idea. Okay, what it takes to create a shader graph. That's just, yeah, wow. Close tab. Okay. Now, if I go into here, right? Not here, but here, right? Here's the shader graph. Okay, guys? Now, if I change it, that's where you lose all this information, right? Everything I just showed you with all the lines, that's all this. People type this stuff in. You can create all this. I haven't done it myself. The only thing I've done so far is, what was that again? Create just a shader. I think it was just a shader, not a graph. Or was it the lit shader graph? I can't recall. Unlit shader. That's what I did. I had fun doing that. That I can do, but I haven't practiced doing any shader graphs. Okay? So I can't really give any good advice on that. For me, I don't mess with it, and the shader graph they create, as far as I'm concerned, it's pretty awesome. So I don't mess with it. I leave it alone. So with these yellow errors, I mean, I'm going to research this a little bit more, see what I can change, right? Obviously, if I change the shader graph, it loses everything. Okay? It loses its just everything. Now, which one are they using for the... well, we clicked plant, shader graph, terrain grass. Okay, which is what it's set for. And now somewhere in here there's going to be a shader graph, shader terrain grass somewhere. These are all part of the terrain samples assets, guys. Okay. Unity's got some pretty awesome, intelligent people over there working and creating this stuff for them, right? So that's where all this comes from, and yeah. Now, why we're getting this, I have no answer. It's kind of sucks. For me, these kind of bug me a little bit, but again, they're just yellow errors. We could just avoid using the plants entirely, and we wouldn't have this issue, I guess. But I'm sure it would still render and play and all those sort of things, right? Okay, we're running. It's runtime right now. No errors coming up, so that's a good thing. Okay. Now I'm not sure why. We're getting some shadows kind of happening a little bit with these guys. You get some kind of, yeah, that's all part of the shadows, right? Okay. So, whoops. I'm trying to undo these. There we go. There. Let's keep going. So what I'm going to do, I have to make the decision. Do I keep them? Do I not use them? What do I do, right? Remove. Now it's up to you guys. You can use it or not. I apologize. I don't have an answer for that right now. How to fix that? And I want to keep going. I want to keep creating. I don't want to slow things up here. Okay, what else do we have? We got grass. All these different grass, which I want to check out as well. And hopefully we're going to be good with these. Okay, they're just little guys. Nice. We just removed all that, didn't we? We're not even using plant. Did we get rid of plants? Why is it doing that? Tree fern, everything's doing this. What other, let's see, what else do they have in Unity discussions? Okay, okay, yes. Just reading here, guys. Yeah, this is what this guy's saying. We just did the exact same thing he's saying in here. He's like, however, I am very confused because I'm using URP. So if I change it to Nature Soft Occlusion Bark Leaves, then it will literally go all magenta, like it has no texture. Yeah, you lose the shader graph, right? So then he's asking, how do I fix this? Okay, you can set the shader as Universal Render Nature Speed Tree, which is a very basic reply. You can set the shader as Universal Render Pipeline. Okay, that's kind of understand what he's saying. It's not really a specific, detailed answer. And then of course they come back and they're like, I can't even find the shader setting for the tree, right? But I know exactly what he's talking about. If we go here, we've got this speed tree, right? But That's for the trees. And here we go. Terrain grass. This is the terrain grass one right here. And it's set for shader graphs, terrain, blah, blah, blah. And it's a pretty in-depth shader graph. Like, what's all this? URP only. Subsurface setting. I'm not going to mess with that. What else do we have? Open shader editor. I don't have enough experience or practice with the shader editor. I think this is what I was creating before. The actual, it's looking familiar. I go on I'm all over the place with doing so many different things. It's like I learn about it, and then I do something else, and then I forget about it, and then I gotta relearn about it. Thinking of the terminology is what I'm kind of talking about. Create shader, unlit shader. That's what I did. Just a regular shader. There's a certain term they use for the coding. It's part C# and it's part, I don't know, shader script coding language. What else do we got here? Errors. Okay, bunch of errors. Shader, here we go. Compile and show code. Like, do I actually have to edit it in the shader graph? Is that what I'm supposed to do? I'm already trying to figure out how to break trees or fix broken trees that are disconnected. Ah, man, it almost seems like I have to start going into learning how to create my own trees and such, so I know how to fix this stuff. No, I'm not doing that. Train, let's go. Let's just open this quickly. We'll have a little look. Okay. What do you guys got going on in here? So whoever creates this creates all of this, okay? I know that much. And then to link and connect everything, well, that's another level of understanding. This will confuse a lot of people, 100%. Now, man, even I'm confused. Okay, what is this here? HD unknown. So I didn't mean to do that. What's this? It's hard to read because it's in yellow. Cannot find the code to this target. It says cannot find the code to this target. That's what it says. Okay, when all this gets created over here. Graph settings. Just wondering where you would actually set it. I feel like maybe it's disconnected somewhere. But I don't want to mess with it and change stuff. I don't want to be fixing. There's a lot going on here, guys. A lot of connecting. You definitely need to know. This is like a course on its own. I swear to God. It would be a full course. Built in. Where's URP? That's hidden. Okay. Universal. Here we go. Materials lit. Okay. I'm not gonna change that. Change anything. I I don't know where else I would have to change it, right? So, I don't know. Closing, close, discard, not saving. And there we go. Oh, look, problem solved. Control Z. There we go. Y. Z. Clear. Bush A, twig. I want to use all this stuff, so I'm just going to have to ignore it. Add tree. Grass B. Grass B. Let's have a look. Bop. I mean, they're working nice. They're working nice here. Thank God I have these all collapsed. I'd see 10-mile long errors. I just want to create and not fix. And C. Add. Oh, we did grass dry. Edit. Add. Oh, I did do that. I skipped grass B. I went right to grass dry. Oh, goodness gracious! There we go. That's not bad. Control Z. I'm doing this so we can have a look at it, guys. See what they look like. Okay. And add. Add. Really hard to see them unless you're close up, right? They're good. I like these ones. They're nice. And D. There we go. Oh yeah, these are nice. These are nice, but you're gonna want to use them where they're dense, right? Okay. What else do we have? We got all the dry. Grass dry. As well. You already kind of seen one. Let me just Control Z that. If I had used a different, maybe terrain layer, grass dry would look good kind of in these areas. Right? Now, if you're a character walking in this game, you're going to see it better, right? A lot better. And so let's get all of them in. Whoops. Grass dry A. Was I already looking at them? They're just the same thing, just dry. That's all it is, guys. Okay. The process to selecting these it's kind of C, close, add, edit, add, radio button, Okay, so there's A, B, and C. I can see us using them. Rock shrub. Here's another one. Shrub. Close. Add. Let's have a look at shrub. Oh yeah. It's good. I haven't decided or even thought of where I'm putting those. Okay, so have we missed anything? Or now the kind that I'm looking at, it's very, the color of it's a lot lighter. It's not so dark. And I'm just wondering if do I have it? Don't have it? It's funny. See if that works. It actually added a rock. No shot, you can add rocks. I did not know that. Oh, let's go. Who would have thought, guys? Who would have? Whoa! Do not do that. Do not do that. Whoa. I think I hit delete the terrain is what I did. Okay, but we're okay, I think. Where's that little pile of rocks that we just planted? Oh, I was scared for a moment there, guys. That would have been bad. Good thing you can undo. Woo! Boy, was I worried. But that's kind of neat. I was just... Oh, right. You can't just hit delete there. You got to go through the remove process. Okay, that was my bad. Scary. Okay, yeah, we're here. Weren't we? Crazy. So that's cool. We can add a bunch of little ones. And that's going to save a lot of time. I thought we were going to have to actually do little rock by little rock. Small ones are rock A, B, C, D. We'll just pick that prefab. Close that, add that. That's so neat. But we don't want to go that wild. Just a singular rock. Does it actually, now if I plant it, different rotation, that's about it. They're still kind of vertical. Which is like, meh to me. Right? It'd be a lot faster just planting a bunch of random ones. And then just kind of rotate them and such after. And be quick about it. In regards to rotating them. Because we have all these little areas here that I want to fill with rocks. So I'm just going to put some random ones here and there. And rotate them and try to be quick about it. Just in these areas here. I could probably spam a lot more, but again, I'm trying to be random. Whoops. That is so neat. Whoops. Ugh. Why are you doing that to me? I did not know you could do that with rocks. I mean, it's plant trees, not plant rocks. Right? Hopefully this will speed things up. And when I get to these areas, I'm just going to kind of rotate them when the time comes. For now, we'll just kind of place a few randomly here and there. And we're going to do the same thing with the other ones. Rock A, rock A2. That's what I want. Add. Boom. Okay. Whoa. That's pretty big, huh? Okay, I don't want it to be that big. So we're going to remove that one. Edit, add. It's kind of neat that you could do that, honestly, guys. Because I was like thinking, man, it's going to be a lot of work placing boulders here and there. It's going to be a lot of tedious work. The rotation is random, but the size doesn't seem to be. You get random rotation. But that's okay. So let's just start down here and just kind of go wild.
First steps.
Okay, hang on, guys. Come on, commercial. That was kind of a long one. Oh, they went to a second commercial. That's amazing. Skip. All right, back to this. Placing, not planting. Rocks here and there. Oh, come on. Oh, that bugs me when I do that. Where? Stop that. I don't know why it gets changed. No idea. It's probably how... they're placing the boulders this way. They probably don't, whoever does this with the little rocks, they probably don't spend the time rotating. They just place them, that's it. I mean, that definitely would save a lot of time, right? But I want all these little areas kind of have some boulders. Come on. There we go. There we go. Here, this is where we're working already. So I'm just gonna place a couple. Okay, keep going. Keep going. Where I want to put them is these kind of like, these kind of areas. I don't know how to explain it. They kind of go up to the landscape here a little bit. Here. Have I been in here? Yeah, looks like I have, yeah. Okay. What about over here? Okay. And let's see what else we have. Rock C2, right? B1, A1, B1, C2. Let's have a look. Yeah, that's that large one. And a bunch of those other ones I kind of scaled and such, so that's kind of how I got different variety. They're over here, so like if I actually just go like this. Whoops, come on. This is where it could kind of get tedious. What happened? Do I have to start that all over again? Oh, that's a planted one. That's why. That's the difference. You can't select the planted ones. These are all the ones I kind of created. Are there any more? Another one there. One there. Bunch of little ones here. So I'd have to duplicate these. Duplicate, and then just kind of take them and move them where I want them. Whoa. That's why I don't like grabbing the cube. So what I want to do is, I know we're gonna have floaters. Let's see. Let's rotate it. Center should rotate everything. And back to move. Rotate. I'm trying to, get a whole bunch, right? Okay, I wish they would just fall by gravity. Let's attach a rigid body to them. Boom, done. Okay, so there's that. Now I can duplicate them again. Right, I'm gonna leave those there. They're kind of floaters, but let's see. Rotate again and move. Let's rotate again. I want to get my X and Z kind of horizontal. Okay, let's just start planting rocks. Who would have thought of it? Okay, whole cluster. Boom. And now this is gonna bother me because everything's now not in order. Joys. Is that A? Yeah. Two, three, four, 8. Okay. All right. Commercial. Skip and music. Why? Oh, the humanity! What? B2, where's 2? Is there no 2? It does not exist? This is the only problem, doing it this way. I guess you kind of would have to force yourself to ignore this. And I know I'm going to be doing more too. Okay, stop with that. Alright, let's start moving rocks. Rotate. Oh, joys. And move. This is the part where I'm actually going to grab the cube. I'm going to just rotate it close and try to be happy with it. And I'm doing this so that I have a variety, guys. That's why I'm doing it. Good enough. Rotate. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, the humanity. It wouldn't be so bad if it's just me doing it myself, guys. Right? But here I am, you know, rotating and playing with rocks on a live stream. It's crazy. Okay, rotate, move. I'm going to do these and then we're going to just continue on with other things, okay? I don't want to spend a whole lot of time just placing little rocks. That could get pretty boring. I should move that somewhere different. I mean, it doesn't matter if it's in the ground a little bit. But let's get rid of these floaters. Move them somewhere in a different spot. Rotate. And just try not to be... Whoops, just have a look. That's good enough. Okay? Let's get these down. Oh, goodness gracious. It's because they're rotated, it kind of messes with you a little bit. So, there we go. That's a bit better. Should probably just make them horizontal first. I don't know. Let's see. Let's go right here somewhere. Okay. Rotate. I gotta learn to grab the arrowhead. It'd be easier. I mean, I guess that doesn't look too bad. Better. Kind of looks like it's kind of sitting there properly. Okay, any other floaters? We got one right here. We want to leave it up here. I mean, I guess we could. Doesn't look bad. And rotate. So there you go, guys. Okay, give you an idea what you can do. It's up to you what you do. You can plant them, or you can do it like this, which is obviously a lot of tedious work. But if you want to take pride in what your project, by all means, take pride in it. Myself, I'm going to just show and kind of go over it quickly. I don't want to spend hours and hours and hours live streaming placing rocks. Unless you guys want me to. I mean, that seems crazy. I don't want to put you to sleep. I mean, today's kind of just a chill stream, guys. Okay. Alright, let's just leave it. Do we have any other floaters? I think we did okay. We got a couple of floaters. Again, I'm going to try not to be too particular. Just close enough, good enough. You could sit in the earth a little bit. That's not bad. Rotate it just some. And just place it in there. Let it sit in there. Okay. Oh, did I plant that one? Oh, those are planters. So that's the other thing, right? If you plant them, then you can't do anything about them, right, guys? So take note of that too, right? If you're working with uneven terrain, well, here I have a floater for a boulder. So now what I'm gonna have to do, so it looks kind of normal, is maybe take this and just kind of stick it underneath. Make it look like it's holding it. Right? So I don't know if I like the planting idea. Even though it seems like it would be quicker, not so sure. Okay, there. So now it looks like just a boulder resting on top of another boulder. At least that fixes it, right? Whoops. I want to do this. Just bring it out a little bit. Yeah, I mean, what do you do, right? What do you do? I didn't plant a whole bunch, I hope. Oh, I did too. Oh, man, I would have to undo everything. Hopefully they're okay. Or we're going to have to be doing some magic tricks. Yeah, we're going to have to do magic tricks. Or just ignore it. That sucks. Oh, I spent all that time rotating all them rocks too. Live and learn. This is how you learn, guys. Aren't you glad you're watching my stream? Now you know what not to do. So, yeah, I'm going to have a bunch of floaters. It seems to be that one with a flat spot. I should have looked. Right? I'd have to, if I wanted to, I would actually have to go around, because I can't delete them. I can't even touch them. I can't grab them. They're part of the train now. Essentially, they become one. Whew. Sheesh. Yeah. I'm gonna have to do magic tricks. Do I leave them, guys? I actually have the opportunity to click undo and just undo all of that work and start from scratch, right? Because as soon as I save it, that's it. I mean, it doesn't look too bad, some of them, but like these ones are all pointing up. They're rotated different, but it just, you can tell they're kind of the same boulder. Oh man, about to cry. Okay, that's not too bad, but good thing you guys are watching, because now you're learning. Okay, how far back do we go? I don't know. It's a lot of undoing, for sure. I'll know once I get to... Where were we here? We were here, right? Somewhere in here. We're still working with rocks by the looks of it. Yeah. Oh, that's as far back as I could go for undos. That's right, because you could only save so much in memory. Oh, brutal sauce. Yeah, that's it. So I'm redoing now. That's it. Because there's what? I think it's 200. Up to 200 undo redos. So, and I ran out of memory, guys, for my undos. So you gotta catch that early, alright? So we're just gonna have to deal with it and live with it. Deal with it and live with it. So, so you guys understand, you're better off just kind of taking these random boulders and placing them. Because you have more control of it. Okay? No sense complaining about it. It is what it is. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of bring them down. We got floaters. And rotate. So I'm gonna fix these all quickly. We'll rotate this one as well. And just place it somewhere close to the ground.
Want to know how I...
That's nice. No, I don't. Let's go! Thank you guys for watching and being here. I know, a little bit painful today. But it's just all part of it. Can't have the perfect days all the time. It's just life. Okay, move. I really need to practice my shortcuts better. QE, QE, QE. Q. No. QE. WR, WR, WR. That's what I want. WR. Those are your shortcuts. WE. No, WE, WE. It was right. WE. W. My bad, guys. WE. It's faster. WE. 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 Okay, we're gonna end up using those. I should fix them, but that's okay. That's okay. I know they're here. I'm planning on using them. I probably was gonna leave them too. They kind of fit in here, right? With the theme, the rock theme. Okay, what else were we doing? Okay, so we placed a bunch of boulders. Oof. Insert. Oh, I know the sound I need right now. Just hold up, guys. Just let me search something. Okay, this is what I need. Not quite, but you get the idea. Do we have a longer one?
If you've consumed any media...
No, what the? Straight to commercial. Like, unbelievable. Get not watched. This one here didn't have a straight to commercial. It just went straight to oof. Oof. Yeah, that's an oof. Big oof. Can't do anything with them now. So, what else were we doing? We're doing some. I wanted to plant some grass here, but I didn't find the right one. It's kind of like a bush, but I feel like they're too dark. How do we lighten them up? Because they kind of hide in the terrain quite a bit. Tree height, good enough. Let's just go like this. Turn that up a little bit. 5 and 36. Okay. How much can you pack in a little area? I mean, they stand out right there. But it seems like there's got to be a way to... Can you change their color? Lock height to width. What happens when you do that? Let's play around with it a little bit. Give you that nice variety or what? They all seem to be kind of the same, right? Tree height, yes, must be random. Density. This is kind of what I was going for. I wanted to go with kind of a whole bunch of... But I want to change it up. I want to kind of make it look like it's... They're harder to see because it's on the shadowy side. So I might have to go on the other side with these. I think that's going to be the smart thing to do. But let's pick something else. Where do we go here? Let's see. Maybe like an area over here. There we go. You can see them better, right? You don't want them on the dark side of the moon. So, but is this the area I go for? Maybe. Try to be random with it so they don't look like circular patches. It's not what you want. Now I'm going crazy here. I'm kind of going in areas I don't want to. So I need to kind of be careful here. Turn my brush down and just be a little bit more particular about where I click.
Ready to unlock Roblox?
It's funny. I searched Roblox and now I'm getting Roblox commercials. Well, it's not a Roblox commercial, but it has the word Roblox right in the beginning. Just trying stuff out here, guys. But I want to try to make it kind of look a little random, right? We gotta make it look random. Like, that's nice spots, patchy. Okay. And then I'm gonna kind of, I don't know, build off of it so at least it doesn't look like I got circles going on here. Control Z. And then with that, we could kind of put, let's see what this looks like. They're there, but you can hardly see them. Where is grass? Hey, let's. Is this the one? Yeah, that just looks so weird there. So we need to do better than that. Let's crank it up a notch. And I don't know. We need like a bigger brush. Yeah. Okay. There we go. It's not gonna let you plant it within other stuff. Oh, there we go. It did. Okay, because I want to do that. I want to mix it. So I'm gonna go. I'm just gonna leave that for now. Whatever. Okay. And then we'll just try to mix some grass in between here. Tried to be sporadic with it. I feel like it's just I don't know. We just got to keep building on it, I guess. Grass B, that's dry. We don't want that. I'll just keep adding in, I guess. I want to thicken it up. That's what I want to do. How much do I do? I don't know. I mean, it doesn't look too bad. It's kind of natural. Okay, that's it, guys. I gotta go. I should have checked time here, but yeah, that's it. Yeah, chill stream today, guys. Just working, you know. Keep going on the project. Appreciate you watching. You're awesome, awesome. Again, subscribers, viewers. Johnny with WhiskeyTango Sharp/coding. Appreciates you over here. I really got to bounce. So that's it. Awesome, awesome. Remember, you are awesome, awesome. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Wherever you are, wherever you are, have an awesome day and peace out. Peace.
Maybe I don't understand this.